Zombie apocalypse.
Hey guys, welcome back to A Coder's Paradise, where today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Henry Stickman game, a Henry Stickman sort of game on Sratch. Now, if you don't know what Henry Stickman is, it's basically a choose-your-own-adventure game where you're trying to help the Stickman, just do stuff like stealing and like escaping prison. So yeah, and this one is called Bob the Stickman because I had nothing better to call it. So yay. Alright, the first step in creating the game is a main menu. So we're gonna make a thing called main menu title. Boom. Now I already have this created. It's literally just text, right? With a blue outline. Although I do not want a blue outline on it because it looks terrible. And I want a black outline on it because that looks way better. So yeah. And now we're gonna, so after you have that, like, around, the top left-hand corner, we're gonna do when green flag clicked, go to 0, 0. Now, this'll work, but it's looking a little bland right now. So, let's make a variable called hover. Boom. We're gonna set hover to 0, and we're gonna hide the variable hover at the beginning. Then we're gonna do forever. We're gonna change hover by -1. Boom. And then we're gonna change y by, let's drag out this absolute value of, and then change it to cos, and then hover. And now, okay, wait. Alright, see, it goes up and down, but that's a little too far, so let's just change this to like -3. And that's gonna decrease the value. Now, you can see that it actually really nicely does that. Okay, so now that we have that, let's add a nice little backdrop in. So, I'm just gonna change that line to 0, maybe like a brown sort of color. Boom. Okay, that color just looks terrible. Looks like poop. Do that. Maybe, no, that kind of hurts my eyes. What if I do like something of blue? No, gray. Gray just looks bland though. Okay, not red. We're definitely not doing red. I think this color might be the best. And then I'm gonna add just like darker squares of, just a darker color of that, as like stripes. Boom. Well, maybe the stripe should be just thinner. So copy it, paste it, and paste it. Boom. Bob the Stickman. Okay. Now we actually need a play button. Play. Boom. And then let's make, just a square. And let's make it, once again, well, yeah, okay, let's make it a yellow color. Okay, boom, boom. Okay. Let's give it an outline of, like, I don't know, 4? Okay, yes. Now, let's go in here, and just because why not, I'm gonna draw the play. That's such a bad idea. Okay. Boom. Play. P-L-A-Y. Boom. Play. Okay, no, that looks terrifying. And no, I don't want that. Okay. Play. Boom. Looks way better. And I'm gonna change the font to serif, just because I think it's a pretty good font. Okay. Now, let's put the play button right there. So let's do one green flag clicked, go to whatever that position is, and then let's do forever, drag in an if and then an else. Touching mouse pointer, we'll do set ghost effect to 0. This actually needs to be 20. Boom. So now if we hover over it, you can see that it goes dark. And just for aesthetics, right? We'll set size to 120 and then set size to 100. Boom. There we go. Looks so nice. Okay. And now this space right here is looking a little empty. So let's paint menu Bob, right? And so this is basically going to be our character. And I'm literally just going to rip off Henry Stickman. I'm just going to be totally honest with you guys. Boom. Alright. Like his head. And then let's do that. Okay, his body definitely needs to be like thicker. You know? So boom. Okay, definitely that doesn't look. Okay. Boom. Maybe like that. Or you know what? No. This is what we do. We draw a line, right? And then if you want to curve it, we use the curve tool. Boom. Looks so much better. And then we'll change this over to 20. And then we'll change this to 20. And then we'll add arms, right? So then we'll just do that. Make sure it's not connected to this thing because we want the arms to be separated. And then we'll do that. And then like that. Boom, right? That looks pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. Now let's give him eyes. So, boom, and boom. There we go. I'm so proud of this dude. Okay, move him down here. Let's set his size to like, I don't know, 140? Yeah, and then let's make him go to 0, 0. That is not 0, 0. What? Is that actually... There's no way that's 0, 0. Okay, wait. Alright, I think we might have to center him this one time. And then, like, do that. Yeah, okay. So let's do one green flag clicked. Go to whatever position that is, 169, -54. And, yeah, let's also add a show button to everything we just coded in. Boom. And now we have a pretty good main menu, right? And, yeah, let's actually, before we end the episode, let's, in the play button, let's add a when this sprite clicked, broadcast, play, game, and then when I receive, play game, we're gonna hide, drag that into there, and there, and then let's make a backdrop. Oh wait, let's call this menu, make a backdrop, just call it, oh wait, blank, right? And now we just want a black screen. So, boom. Oh, bam. And, when I receive play game, switch backdrop to blank. Oh yeah, and then at the beginning, let's switch the backdrop to menu. Boom. So we have this, we click play, and it switches over to a blank screen. Nice. Alright, so guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to like, hit that sub button, also drop a comment down below, and smash the notification bell. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. So peace out.